Assalamu alaikum. I'm Shafiur Rahman from Faculty of Engineering School of Computing. This is my final year project. Uh, my final year project is named Eco Bay Beach Resort Online Reservation System. So let's move forward. So this is my table of content: introduction, requirement analysis and design, literature review, conclusion. For the introduction, the problem background is the Ecobe Resort, beach resort in Malaysia is currently only has a basic website and no online reservation system. This makes it difficult for potential guests to easily make reservation and plan their stay at the resort. The resort is also missing out on potential business by not offering online booking options. The proposed solution is to address the problem. I propose developing a web-based application for the Eco Bay Beach Resort that will include both front-end and back-end functionality as well as user authentication, login, register, sign up, and an online reservation system. The system will allow the guests to easily view available dates and times for their stay, select their preferred room or accommodations, and make a reservation with the click of a button. In addition, the system will provide the resort with a centralized database for managing reservations and guest information, making it easier to track and manage bookings. So the objectives is analyzing the requirements and needs of the resort and its customer to tailor to the system to their specific needs and improve the overall user experience, develop and design a user-friendly and visually appealing reservation and management system for Eco Bay Beach Resort with seamless front-end and back-end features. Evaluate the test Evaluate and test the functionalities of the system to ensure smooth operation and user satisfaction. So the scope was the proposed solution will involve designing and developing a web application that includes both front end and back end functionality. The front end will be designed to provide an intuitive and user friendly interface for the guest to view and make reservations. The back end will include a centralized database for managing guest information and reservations, as well as user authentication functionality to ensure secure access to the reservation system. The application will also include an automated email confirmation system for the guests to receive confirmation of their reservation, a payment gateway to allow guests to pay for their reservations online, integration with popular social media platforms as chatbot or virtual assistants to provide real-time assistance and support, and a dashboard for the resort staff to manage reservation, track their occupancy, and monitor the guest feedbacks. So let's move on to the next slide. So for the next slide, we have requirement analysis and design. The online reservation system is a cloud-based system that can be accessed through any internet-enabled device. The system's component include the front end, back end, and database. The front end is the user interface where guests can view room availability, select rooms, and make payments. The back end is the administrative interface that allows the resort staff to manage bookings, room inventory, and pricing, and the database stores all the information related to the bookings and the guests. The online reservation system also integrates with third-party systems such as payment gateways, channel managers, and revenue management system. So this is the use case diagram of the Ecobe Beach Resort online reservation system. So here you can see you see one is registration, login, view available accommodation, interact with chatbot, make reservation, make payment, provide feedback, which is a subsystem of reservation subsystem. And for the management subsystem, we have track occupancy, manage reservation, and monitor the guest feedbacks. So for the system architecture, we are using model view controller. So here you can see the uh, model view controller architecture diagram. For the next slide, so these are some UI mockup prototypes where you can see the first image is of the home page, which will be user view, and the second page is user login. There will be also a staff login and user sign up, and then the picture on the top of the on the left, Uh, on the right is the admin dashboard. Here the total booking rooms, the total stuffs, and the booked rooms, their profile, everything will be the profits also, everything will be mentioned, and there will be the room bookings, the payments, the staffs, the rooms, everything will be presented in the dashboard. So the next picture you can see here is the reservation, how user will view the reservation. So here name, email, country, and many more informations to reserve a room in just a click of a button. And there will be some facilities in the Eco Bay Beach Resort, which is their main attraction, which is camping, then night view, and staycation, and sunrise and sunset. mm, okay, so let's move on to the next slide. So the literature review. Here the current system analysis description is that Eco Bay Beach Resort does not have an online reservation system in place. Potential guests must make reservation through traditional method, which can be time consuming and inconvenient. Resort staff handle all the reservations manually, leading to error and increased workload. The impact is the absence of an online reservation system limits the resort's ability to gather and analyze data on booking patterns, customer preference, and other significant metrics. This lacks of data hinder informed decision making and limits the opportunities for improving offerings and market strategies. The resource website is basic and lack of interactive features, making it difficult for the potential guest to navigate and explore available options. The website does not offer online booking functionality, requires guests to make reservations through other channels such as phone or email. So the issues will be lack of convenience and efficiency in the reservation process, missed business opportunities, reduced customer satisfaction, increased workload and potential for error among resort staff, limited data for decision making and analysis, basic website lacking interactive features and online booking functionalities. So for the conclusion, the online reservation system is a vital component of Eco Bay Beach Resorts operation. It provides guests with a convenient and efficient booking process while also benefiting the resort with increased revenue and efficiency. The future development and improvements of the system will include integration with more third-party systems and the implementation of machine learning and artificial intelligence. The online reservation system is an essential tool for any resort to provide the best experience for their guests and stay competitive in the industry. The presentation concludes with a list of reference used in the presentation. Thank you.